Good morning, everyone. My name is Sandy.
I'm Archit.
And I'm Harshit.
Today, we'd like to present the solution to the problems of the maritime industry. When we were thinking about how to build this boat, we were first thinking about what are the main problems that occur in the maritime industry. As a person who went through one of these problems, I knew what the answer was. When I was shifting from my base location to India a few years back, not being able to track my goods, when I was shifting my goods from US to India, there were certain time periods where we had no idea where our products were. And this was a very traumatic experience as there was belongings of high value in there. So thinking of this, we decided to integrate a GPS tracking system.
As we built this, we focused on three main ideas: collision detection, the GPS, and our solar panels.
So we decided to use solar panels because it's an eco-friendly source and the maritime industry is one of the most polluted industries in the world. So we have decided to use an eco-friendly source because we want our future generation to have a clean environment.
Next, we have obstacle detection. For this, we have used an ultrasonic sensor with a servo motor. It turns 45 degrees every 2 seconds. When it detects an obstacle, it performs a series of commands. First, it provides us with visual and sound clues. We have an LED integrated into our project which lights up telling us there's an obstacle in front. There's also a buzzer which goes off when there's an obstacle. For our motors, when it detects an object, it first stops, then it turns in the left or right direction depending on what it senses, and since it's going off course, later course corrects itself to go straight.
So this is our GPS system. It derives the longitudes and latitudes from the satellite above. It sends those longitudes and latitudes into our code, which then converts into a Google Maps link. This is our GSRM system. This sends the person a text message of an encrypted ID. That encrypted ID can be then pasted into Google Maps, which will give you the live location of our GPS or of our ship.
This is the TechTitan cargo bot. As you can see, we have an ultrasonic sensor connected to a servo motor. When an obstacle comes in front of 20 centimeters, we get some visual clues such as an LED and a buzzer. So we come. As you can see, the LED goes off and there's a buzzer. The motors then stop and then begin to run again. And as you can see, we've also incorporated a solar panel. This solar panel charges the batteries which are inside. As you can see, there's a light blinking inside which tells us that the light bulb is charging the solar panel. Thank you. This is our project. In conclusion, the TechTitan cargo bot is an eco-friendly, useful solution. Thank you.